Hi, everyone. I am so excited to share with you our completely free business income and expenses organizer. This is the perfect tool for new startup businesses, freelancers, or individuals that have side hustles. So let's get started. Again, this is a freebie that was offered to you, and you'll be able to click in and open up a Google Drive link. From there, you're going to want to make a copy so you can edit it and play with it and make it your own. So click on File and make a copy. You're going to name it what you want, but I highly recommend adding in the name of your business. So I'm going to add in Gradient Accounting, and you can save it wherever you want as well. I'm going to leave it in the same folder and click OK. If you prefer to work on Microsoft Excel, instead of making a copy, you can click File and download to Microsoft Excel, but that is not my recommended format. So once you have your copy, you're going to go ahead and make it your own. The first thing you want to do is edit this row 3 to have your business's name. So mine is Gradient Accounting for the current year, so 2021. Okay, so this first tab is your master tab. Here you're going to be able to see all of your year-to-date income. You have the month-by-month view, and you also have the year-to-date totals. And then all of your year-to-date expenses. Again, you have the month-by-month view, you have the year-to-date total. And then this last line is the most important number that you need to know in your business because it's your net profit or loss. This is all the income that's left over after paying your expenses, and this is ultimately what's left over to pay yourself. So it's very important to know this number because another reason you need to know it is you'll ultimately be taxed on it. So how do you get your business's data in this spreadsheet? That is a great question, and I'm going to show you how to do it here. It's super simple. So the first thing you want to do is go to the tab called Income. And in this tab, you want to start by entering in all of your client names, or if you're not a service-based business, some of your revenue sources, okay? So for some of you, maybe you're an online ESL teacher and your only revenue source is VIP Kid. You'll enter that in here and you'll delete the other two rows of data. But I'm a service-based business, so I'm going to enter in my client names. I'm going to give some examples here. Bruno Mars is not a current client, but if you're watching this, holler at me. Let's do business together. Okay, so I have my clients' names in, and I can delete out all of this sample data, okay? And I'm going to enter in my own data. So let's say that Jane paid me $1,000 on January 1st. And that was her January retainer. Let's say that John on February 1st paid me $350, and that was for taxes. And the note is completely optional. You do not have to do it, but it is encouraged just to keep yourself organized. Let's say that Bruno paid me on March 1st $4,000 for his retainer. Okay, so I have all my income for the year. Now I want to get my expenses for the year entered in. So I have some example data, some Walmart, Facebook ads. Let's say that I am in a mastermind group and I paid for that and it was $400. And I can do any of these categories. I'm going to do training and education. Okay, so I have my income and expenses in, and as you can see, my tab 1, my master tab, is updated. So for the year to date, I've had income of $5,350 and expenses of $713, leaving $4,636 of profit. So this is a great tool to help keep you organized, and your tax preparer or yourself will love you during tax time. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, it's free and enjoy.